here sa public market sa San Diego National City. Maganda ito. It's very beautiful place to unwind and dine. So meron dito mga all the packet food, the cerveza, pagkipa Indonesia, and all this nice different kind of food you enjoy. You can dine in here and order your food and then take it outside. There's like patio order here. We had pad thai on here on this store. This is very nice. See, look at this place. It's beautiful. See, we ordered pad thai, but this is Thai corner in here. See, this is their store. It's beautiful store. So come with me and we gotta walk you through exploring this place. It's beautiful. Nice public market food court. See, this is what we
Lagay ko sa
ordered.
YouTube channel ko.
A pad thai.
I got
Very good taste, I promise. Yes. So we just walk around and see all this place. It's beautiful. So we just order, and this is the patio dining. But there is some more table outside, you know. So I walk you through the whole building. So this is the whole building of this food. Very nice. I feel hungry all the time when I come here. So this is our dining area here. This beautiful place. So come with me and see all this place. I walk you through on this. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy watching my video. I'll tour you more on this place. So there's ramen, there's a cake shop, there's juice shop, all the food court in here. Yes, let's go here on this side. Yeah. So we open here. There's more cake in here, pizza that you can enjoy. Please watch and see all these things in here. So we try all this kind of food in here. So I try the pad thai noodles, sarap. See, sarap shrimp pad thai that I try. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoy my video.